Lex's Dirty Maintenance Show.
A sweet power slide. It's like the closet fell. Closet shelf. These are weak. These are weak. I'm going to reinforce it, make it stronger. Toggle bolts. Try to use the same holes. These will go right into the hole. I'll tighten it down. Seems pretty solid around the edges. That's just a little peeled sheetrock. I think it'll work. I'll redo that too. So I'll just squeeze this together, squeeze it down like that, and then push it to the hole. And once it gets behind the wall, it just releases. Then you screw it down tight, and that's a hole against the wall. Toggle bolt. I've also heard it called butterfly bolt. I use the drill to get them tight, and then I go a little more with my screwdriver. Oh yeah, they're tight. It's tight. Oh yeah, that ain't going anywhere. Now if the sheetrock was loose, I would have raised it a little bit to some more firm sheetrock. This is good. It's not going anywhere. put some spackle in that. That's where it scarred the wall when the shelf fell. Now I'll redo this. Yeah, weak. These are strong. They said they can hold 75 pounds. So I like these. I like the plastic ones. I don't use the metal ones. Just screw it in with your Phillips head. There we go. I'll do this one, and I'll do this one, just like I did that. So I won't bore you with the footage of doing the same thing over and over, but that's how I do it. Finish with the Phillips head. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. Those wall anchors break apart in the wall too. And they grab sheetrock and go quick. So I'll do the other two just like that. I'll have to bend these and straighten them out. Wow. Wow. Just pop it right in the same hole. Screw it in. That's good. Oh yeah, that's tight. That one's good. This is good. There we go. snap in. There we go. I didn't build the place. I'm just fixing it. I'm just playing the hand I was dealt. Alright, I'm gonna put some horseshoe anchors on it too. I'll show you what that is. I like to put some of these in there. I'll take my stud finder, find a stud, and then screw that to it. Gotta keep the thing from flipping up and over. I love these. These work great. Alright. I'll put a horseshoe right there. Perfect. So I'll screw that down to a stud. There it is. I actually moved it over to here. I'll put it right in a stud, right next to that. So this thing's going nowhere. I'll put another one of these in down here somewhere. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Pretty easy. Let's take that, screw that down into there. I'll need 2 hands for this, so I won't be able to film it, but you get the idea. And do the same over there. There we go. All done, nothing to it. Got that in a stud. Got that in a stud. That's good. Oh yeah, it's solid. Thing ain't going nowhere. Thank y'all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.